Good morning, one and all. We're at a place called Fimber Halt today, because today we're going to look at the Yorkshire Wolds Railway. Hey Phoebes, should we go have a look? Phoebe's got a little Halloween dress on today. She's going to a birthday party not long after this. She's all dressed up for it. Should we go and have a look at the train, Phoebe? Come on then. Yeah, we go on the train. So they're looking to raise the roof. Help us to raise the roof on our visitor centre and working facility. This is an exciting development of the Yorkshire Wolds Railway for all our visitors and all our volunteers. So they're hoping to build this structure here. Plus it will help steam to return to the Wolds. We have successfully funded the building structure, but we also need track, switches, flooring, lighting and lots more. So if you go to www.yorkshireworlds... That's going to throw me throughout this entire thing. yorkshireworldsrailway.org.uk. You can make a donation, and the target is £100,000. £100,000, Phoebe. Yeah, it's all covered up, isn't it? Should we find a little bit more about it, Phoebe? So they're brake vans, Phoebe. Compulsory on all goods trains up until 1968, and were normally marshalled at the rear of the train so both portions of the train could be brought to a standstill if a coupling broke. The brake van would provide the facility for keeping the couplings tight between the wagons and could also give additional braking on a gradient when required. So that, Phoebe, is a brake van built 1961. There's 5,000 of them built, and there's 144 left in preservation, which weighs 20 tonnes, Phoebe. That's very heavy, isn't it? And there's one in 1958. And there they are through time. This, Phoebe, is a 1971 Rover 3500S. Very old. You want to donate some money? Put it in the toilet. Spend a penny, raise some pounds. There you go. Phoebe's a little bit horrified at the wolf man that's just come out the toilets. Bless you, Phoebe. It's all Halloweened up, which we love. So we've got our ticket to go on the train at 11, so we've got half an hour to have a look around. Right, we're going to go on this train, Phoebe. Going to go up here. You can take dogs on the train, but you can't go in the museum or anything, so sorry we've not brought Lupin along with us today. This is a full-on train on here. Morning, alright. Right, don't go on there, Phoebe. Just watch your step as you go on. Big step. That's it, hold on. Good girl. There we go. Ooh, don't you have a look down there, Phoebe? So this is a bit surreal. We're on a train, and it's all Halloweened up. Ooh, look at all the Halloween stuff, Phoebe. It's scary, isn't it? It's like a ghost train, isn't it, Phoebe? Should we go the other way and have a look?
Get to sit down.
We might be able to. Keep going then. Some museum bits through there. Look, this is like a crafty bit. You can pay £1 and do some crafts. We've done a lot of crafts this morning already, haven't we, Phoebe?
Hello, this.
So this has all been gutted out into a museum. Look at her, that's Betty, Phoebe. Did you find out about Betty? So Betty is wearing the uniform of a land girl, Phoebe. Replacing men away in the forces during the Second World War, the land girls helped keep Britain fed. Now, this is a fascinating story. For more details, see the information sheet. So she's dressed as a land girl, Phoebe. So when the men were all out fighting the war, the ladies stayed behind and basically ran Britain.
Which way did you want to go, Bo?
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go back in the sun.
Look at that, Phoebe. That's called a velocipede. A model train.
that's a whole one.
A
couple of years ago, I was away. All round
Cool, eh? Driffield Station. Very old sign. Oh. There's a man in there, Phoebe, look. There's a man in there. Say hello. He's working on the train, isn't he? What's through there, Phoebe? Oh, I can see a toy train through here. So here we go. So it's the ambition of the Yorkshire Wolds Railway to extend and improve upon what you see. Have a play with it, Phoebe. Today, and to become a successful and popular attraction for the region. In the next few years, we are aiming to reach Wetwang Green Lane, about 1 mile southwards. Beyond that, we have an aspiration to head towards Wetwang Station and eventually to reintroduce steam to the line. So can you help us? Get involved. There's a whole range of ways you can help, whether you have a skill such as carpentry, welding or engineering, want to help on site greeting visitors, fundraising or simply keeping the plants watered, just ask any member of staff. So there you go. It's great, isn't it? They're getting just looking to expand the railway all the way to Wetwang, which is nearby. So it's a very old. Phoebe, stay here. Very old northeastern railway map. So we're about there in Driffield, around that area. Phoebe's found a little Thomas the Tank Engine set. That's very old, isn't it, Phoebe? Wow, very cool. There's some very old lamps from the 1900s. Loads of memorabilia here. Including a decorated coronation crown made by Seeley Wilkinson for the Driffield Crown Trail to celebrate the coronation of King Charles. So lots of old carriages down here. So it extends all the way down there for about a mile, I think, and they're hoping to go to Wetwang, which is a nearby village. And I'm sure they'll make it. Just go have a look at the train, Phoebe. Just be careful. Try not to run. Let's go slowly and carefully. So this is Phoebe, the Malton Dodger, English electric train. There's the locomotive, look. The cabin. If locomotive's the right word. On in, alright. Sir Tatton Sykes. So this train here.
No.
No, so I'm on a diet.
It's a British Rail Mark 1 BG, which stands for Brake Gangway, built by Pressed Steel of Glasgow in 1957. 395 builds, 32 tons, last in service 1990. So they're using trains built in 1957 and 1990, Phoebe. There you go. So that's what we're going to go on in a bit. About 10 minutes time. We're going to go on a lovely ride. Not quite yet, Phoebe. Here we go. So this is the interior of the little brake van that we're going on. Phoebe's ready.
I'm sitting on this cushion. What?
Hold the wheel then. Watch yourself show what that does. Stove and flue pipe, very hot. And there's the train. So So that's on and it's producing some lovely heat, and apparently it's going to get very, very warm in here. Look at that. Here we go. The Wolds Railway is about to embark. Woo. We're off, Phoebe. Phoebe's happily sat in there.
Change some points now if you want to fill that.
Well, that'd be good, yeah. Let's have a look. We're going to change the points, Phoebe. Do you want to come and see here? Just be careful. Can you see? Look, they're going to change the points now, Phoebe. Because they've got to change the direction that the track's going to go in. That man's going to do it. Watch him, look. Watch the track. It's changing it, look. Can you see it there, look? You see it moving? Don't see that very often, do you, Phoebe? No, you don't.
We're going to put in another set of points, and that's going to lead to the shed.
Oh yeah,
Started construction there.
Oh right, yeah. I saw the perspective image of it. Yeah.
Visitor centre and working facility, we're calling it.
Yeah. So they're going to build a big shed over there, Phoebe. It's a glorious day for it, isn't it, Phoebe? Nice sunny day. Nice sunny autumn day for a little train ride. There we go. Stop! What does that big red sign say, Phoebe?
Stop.
Stop, that's right. Phoebe, can you see where the track's pointing? It's going to pull the lever and it's changing it.
So that's the lock.
There you go. So now when the train goes, we're going to go straight on instead of over there. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Going back to the visitor centre now, Phoebe, back where we started from. And one day, Phoebe, this track is going to go all the way to Wetwang. So it's going to go even further in the future. There you go, Phoebe, that was good, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah, gonna run.
You can visit Father Christmas at Fimberholt, which is pretty cute. Visit Fimberholt to meet Father Christmas, pick a Christmas tree and enjoy a lovely train ride. Saturday 13th of November, 7th and 14th of December. Family train ride, mince pie, hot drink, family, 40 quid. Beautiful. That good, Phoebe? Yeah, that was good, wasn't it? So here you can take one of these boards home for a tenner, paint it, bring it back, they'll varnish it and they'll display it here. Very, very cool. Have a cute little shop here as well. Marmalade, jams and chutneys. Lots of other merch and things. You can get a tea and coffee here as well. Very good. So that was very, very cool. So it's a very ambitious project. They're hoping to go all the way to Wetwang, build the tracks all the way to Wetwang and have a fully working little train service. Very, very cool. Please go online, have a look at the Wolds Railway website and make a donation. Let's let the dream happen. Thank you very much for watching. Just a little one today. Very cute little video. Thank you, and like and subscribe and check out my other videos, including the Yorkshire Wolds Railway, which was a very cool day out. Thank you very much. Bye bye.